today I want to be talking about what 90 days of focus can do for your YouTube channel. Hello, my name is Alan and I'm the creator behind YouTube Operator Academy, a focused school community dedicated to grow on YouTube, get their first videos out there, and grow together without the creator overwhelm. The overwhelm comes from too much stuff thrown at you at the same time without a clear roadmap how to proceed. And in this video, we're going to be discussing what 90 days of focus can do for your YouTube channel. One decision, one window, one channel that finally starts moving. No shortcuts, just sustainable growth. So let's do a little bit of a myth busting. This is not about hacks. This is about real growth on YouTube. It isn't about gaming the algorithm. It isn't just some hack that you're gonna do an algorithm and everybody will love you and you're gonna get millions of views. This video and this YouTube Operator Academy is about building skills, habits, and results that actually compound together. These 90 days are for you to build the habits that are gonna sustain you in the long run. Why are 90 days the magic window? Well, the 90 days takes to form a habit. Repeated action rewires how you approach content creation. It stops feeling hard and starts feeling natural. Each video makes the next one better because your skills are compounding. It's like building a house, one brick at a time. So editing, scripting, delivery, all improve faster than you would expect because you focus on them at a time. And the 90 days is a long enough window for you to see the result. Short enough to commit to, it's just 3 months, but long enough for the algorithm and your audience to take notice and you can see your channel take off. So I don't know how many of you knows Alex Hormozi. He is a big believer in consistency, in making the reps that's gonna build you the skills. So publishing consistency is your best teacher. Volume, huge amount of videos publishing, accelerates your learning faster than any course. Every video you publish gives you real data, what resonates, what falls flat, and what to do differently next time. So the creator who publishes 12 videos learns more than one who builds a perfect one. This is why it's really important that you guys understand that don't try to make a perfect video. Just try to make a good enough video, publish it, review what works, implement those ideas in your next repetition, and that is gonna compound. While you're doing that, of course, you should be focusing on individual subjects. When you're focusing on a better packaging, you're gonna get more clicks, and that's what you should be doing in the beginning. Focus on getting your ideas good and then making them packaged nicely. Meaning your title and thumbnail are your first impression. Small improvements create compounding gains in the click-through rate. And the more clicks you get means the more views you get. So stronger thumbnails and sharper titles, you're gonna see your CTR gains. And that's why in the beginning, it's really important that you focus on your click-through rate. Even a 1 to 2% in click-through rate compounds over every video on your YouTube library. Then we're gonna be focusing on retention growth, which means we want to, okay, people have selected your video, they clicked. Now we want to keep them watching. Retention is the silent metric that determines everything. When viewers stay longer, YouTube promotes your content further, and audiences that stay become ones that subscribe, return, and they become your loyal viewers. So you want to be transitioning every viewer that you get from a first page watcher who is just curious, he wants to watch something that you have to offer. Then you want them to eventually come back and return a viewer, to get them engaged, get them watch more, until they press that subscribe button and they become your loyal subscriber. They trust you, they're sharing your content, they're promoting you. And these are the metrics that unlock that door. You have to have 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours, and 90 days to target. In those 90 days, we're gonna make a real shot at this 1,000 subscribers and 400,000 watch hours. Whether or not you're gonna achieve it, I honestly don't know. But if you're going towards it, however far you come, you are well on the way compared to if you never start. And here's a little bit where the power of the community accelerates everything. Community accelerates build cycles because you can actually publish, you can have people from your community review your stuff. Your community will tell you what works, then iterate, apply feedback to your next video, and then grow. Better content brings more viewers. Implement those changes in your next video and it will compound. But remember, that only happens if you publish consistently. So the transformation that we're going for here is from day one, where you start, inconsistent uploads, weak titles and thumbnails, low retention and slow growth, no clear feedback loop, and monetization feels very distant. It feels like it's miles away. Where hopefully you're gonna land after those 90 days, you're gonna learn how to publish going through a regular publishing rhythm. Stronger packaging, higher click-through rate, which is constantly improving because you're reviewing your content, improved retention, and watch time by learning the tricks how to keep your viewers engaged, how to keep them watching. And if you have an active community such as YouTube Operator Academy, a community of like-minded individuals that I have put together, we have lots of community content where you can actually learn all of those skills, and we have a community of individuals that is gonna be giving you feedback together with myself, hopefully helping you grow on your YouTube journey. Where we're hoping that this will land is that monetization will feel within reach after those 90 days, or at least you're gonna be feeling you're well off on your way to getting monetized and get paid for doing what you love. So your 90 days start now. The path is clear, the window is open. Join us inside the YouTube Operator Academy and get the structure, accountability, and community to make these 90 days count. Join us on the structured path, link will be in the description below. I'm currently building this your first 90 days challenge. It's still ongoing, but I would love your feedback to see what you're struggling with so I can address it even better. What we have in the YouTube Operator Academy, we have real accountability. The goal is take that first step and your future channel is waiting. Thank you very much for watching. I'm gonna be seeing you in the next one.